Are you considering studying in Canada? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you apply for a student visa. Acceptance from Designated Learning Institution (DLI). Apply and gain acceptance to a Designated Learning Institution (DLI) in Canada, recognized by the Canadian government. Pay tuition fees. Pay the required tuition fees to the DLI for your chosen program. Obtain an acceptance letter. After acceptance, the institution will provide you with an official acceptance letter detailing your program of study, duration, and any conditions. Obtain Provincial Attestation Letter, PAL. Following a new international student cap imposed by IRCC in January 2024, some international students may need a Provincial Attestation Letter, PL, in addition to a Letter of Acceptance, LOA, to apply for study permits. The PAL verifies that the acceptance of a specific international student contributes to the respective allocation of international students for each province. Apply for a study permit. Apply online for a study permit through the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website or the nearest Canadian visa office in your home country. Document checklist. Gather necessary documents, including passport, acceptance letter, proof of financial support, academic records, language proficiency test results, and the provincial attestation letter if required. Biometrics. Appointment. Schedule a biometrics appointment at the nearest Visa Application Center, VAC, if applicable. Submit application. Complete the online application form and pay the required fee, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Wait for processing. Wait for your application to be processed by IRCC, with processing times varying based on your home country and the time of year. Decision and passport request. Upon decision, you'll receive a letter of introduction, LOI, or a request to submit your passport for visa stamping. Visa stamping. If requested, submit your passport and necessary documents to the visa office or VAC for visa stamping. Travel preparation. Upon receiving your study permit, make travel arrangements to Canada and ensure you have all necessary documents for immigration. Arrival in Canada. Present your study permit to immigration officers at the port of entry upon arrival in Canada. Study permit renewal, if applicable. Renew your study permit if your program extends beyond its validity, following IRCC renewal procedures. For the most current information, visit the official IRCC website and consult your chosen DLI for specific requirements. Your Canadian study adventure awaits.